We are standing at a critical inflection point in the history of personal computing. For decades, playing high-end, AAA PC games required sitting in front of a heavy desktop rig or balancing a blazing hot gaming laptop on your desk. But over the last few years, a quiet revolution turned into a full-scale war, completely redefining how and where we interact with video games. When Asus first launched the original ROG Ally, it sent shockwaves through the entire gaming industry. It proved that a full Windows-powered PC could fit directly into the palms of your hands and run modern blockbusters on the go. They followed it up with crucial iterative upgrades, refining the battery and memory, but deep down, every enthusiast and power user knew one thing. Those were merely warm-up exercises. Behind closed doors in Taipei, the engineers at Asus have been quietly crafting the ultimate weapon designed to end the handheld war once and for all. The Asus ROG Ally 2. If you thought portable gaming had reached its absolute peak, you need to pay very close attention to what is leaking out of the hardware supply chains right now. The Asus ROG Ally 2 is not just a minor refresh or a quick spec bump. It is being built from the ground up to address every single flaw, compromise, and limitation that held back previous generations of handheld PCs. We are talking about a generational leap in graphics performance, cutting-edge display technology that solves a massive industry headache, revolutionary thermal engineering, and a software ecosystem designed to make Windows feel as effortless as a dedicated home console. The entire industry is holding its breath because what Asus is preparing to launch will dictate the next decade of mobile computing. To understand why the hype surrounding the ROG Ally 2 has reached a fever pitch, you have to look directly at the beating heart of this machine. The next generation of custom silicon from AMD. The original ROG Ally made waves with the Ryzen Z1 Extreme, a chip that pushed mobile APUs to their absolute limits. But the ROG Ally 2 is primed to debut with the long-awaited AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. This is a monster of a chip built on AMD's latest architecture, combining ultra-efficient Zen CPU cores with cutting-edge RDNA graphics architecture. What does this mean for real-world performance when you pick up the device? It means the era of struggling to hit 30 frames per second in demanding titles is officially over. Games that previously brought handhelds to their knees, pushing temperatures to the limit while churning through battery life in 45 minutes, will run with astounding smoothness. We are looking at architectural efficiency gains that allow the Z2 Extreme to deliver significantly higher frame rates at lower wattage levels. Imagine playing sprawling open-world titles with complex ray tracing features enabled, crisp high-definition textures, and rock-solid frame rates, all while running on a handheld device that stays cool in your hands. Graphics power is only half the battle, though. The single most discussed and debated aspect of any handheld device is its display, and this is where Asus is preparing to drop a massive bombshell on the market. The original ROG Ally won praise for including a smooth 120Hz refresh rate screen with variable refresh rate technology, known as VRR. However, gamers were forced to choose between the buttery smooth performance of an LCD with VRR on the Ally, or the gorgeous deep blacks and vibrant contrast of an OLED screen on rival handhelds that lacked proper VRR support. With the ROG Ally 2, Asus is set to end that compromise permanently. The leaks strongly indicate that the ROG Ally 2 will feature a top-of-the-line, ultra-fast OLED display complete with full variable refresh rate support. This is the holy grail for portable gaming displays. You will get the infinite contrast ratios, stunning HDR highlight brightness, and instantaneous response times that only OLED can deliver, combined with the tear-free liquid-smooth frame synchronization of VRR. Whether you are exploring dark, atmospheric dungeons or competing in ultra-fast Twitch shooters, the visual presentation on this screen will be nothing short of breathtaking. Of course, driving a top-tier display and a powerhouse processor requires power, and battery life has historically been the Achilles heel of Windows handhelds. Early portable PCs gained a reputation for being tethered to wall outlets, turning a portable device into a stationary nightmare. Asus took a massive step toward fixing this with their recent hardware updates. But the ROG Ally 2 is taking battery engineering to an entirely new level. By leveraging high-density battery cell technology and completely re-engineering the internal chassis,